Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate dynamic island on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So first thing first, you can use timer or just let's see 10 minutes and go start. After that, when you come to home screen, you will see dynamic island is working. And also, if you listening to music and come back to home screen, you'll see the player in dynamic island. So that's how dynamic island works. Hold and you will see bigger dynamic island. You can pause, timer, or stop. And now it's all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.